Jao, what do you call a test tube with a college degree?
I don't know. What?
A graduated cylinder.
Oh, I don't know. Why do you do this?
They'll let me choose a virtual background this time. No, never. Never. I'll never get to enjoy such a thing.
Registration is upon us. May the odds be in our favor.
That's right. It's registration time already. And as we transition back onto campus, the fall 2021 semester will include more in-person and hybrid courses. So pay extra attention to the scheduled classes to find out whether the classes you're registering for are hybrid, fully online, or face-to-face. Remember to check if your online classes are asynchronous or synchronous. If you need any assistance with registration, please reach out to the ESSC advisors or the first year experience coordinator, Marina Crawford.
Speaking of registration in the fall 2021 semester, keep in mind that the COVID-19 pandemic is a fluid situation and things may change over the summer. CSULB information regarding COVID-19 protocols will continue to be posted on the Reuniting the Beach website. It is important to check this website regularly over the summer so you can remain up to date on current health and safety guidelines and any potential changes to class schedules.
In about 5 weeks, final exams are coming, but don't worry, tutoring services are available for you via Zoom. For engineering courses, Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. For math and science courses, Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., Fridays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The last day for these tutoring sessions will be on May 7th. And if you need help getting connected with a tutor, please reach out to our first year experience coordinator, Marina Crawford at marina.crawford@csulb.edu.
Speaking of tutoring, the College of Engineering Tutoring Center is hiring. Tutors will receive an hourly pay starting at $15 and will work a minimum of 4 hours per week to a maximum of 10 hours per week. Work schedules will be based on your availability and will not conflict with your enrolled classes. If you're interested in working as a tutor, check out the CSULB Tutoring Center webpage and the link below to apply. Now it's time for Shop Talk.
Are you interested in research but just not sure how to get started? If so, check out the events happening during the week of research, scholarly, and creative activity. This event will focus on highlighting some of the amazing work currently being done across the CSULB campus by students, faculty, and staff. It will take place April 5th through April 9th. Head to the link below for the full event schedule.
Starting on April 5th is Respect Diversity Week. With growing division throughout our communities, the need for cultural solidarity is at a high point. During this week, you have an opportunity to hear from several community leaders on historical injustices, modern-day inequities, and hands-on strategies to create a brighter, more respectful world for all of us. Check out the link below for the full event schedule.
The Building Your Brand series returns this month with Building Your Brand Interview Techniques 101 on April 14th and 15th at 2 p.m. and Building Your Brand Effective Resume Writing on April 28th and 29th at 2 p.m. Put your best foot forward by learning the fundamentals of successful interviews and resume techniques so that you may leave a positive impression in your next interview. Both workshops will take place on Zoom and just in time for mock interviews. So check out the FYE Beat Sync page for more information. And now let's go to Victoria with the events.
COVID-19 has very obviously caused significant disruption in everyday life, and the Quarantine 15 has become part of the rhetoric of this pandemic. That's why we want to encourage you to attend the Love Your Body Week happening April 12th through April 15th. This week will be full of activities dedicated to body positivity and self-affirmation. Check out the ASI calendar for more information.
Did you miss out on Marina Hacks Hackathon? If so, never fear. Beach Hacks, CSULB's annual 24-hour hackathon, will be held virtually on April 17th and April 18th. Everyone from all majors and skill levels are welcome to attend. You can learn more and apply at beachhacks.com.
The second annual Students of Color Conference will take place on April 23rd. With the goal of fostering an understanding of historical context, solidarity, and community building, the LBSU Students of Color Conference will equip students with a better understanding of social justice issues and the means to become influential change agents in society. Registration will open April 5th. Check out the ASI calendar for more information.
The COE mock interviews will take place on April 20th and 21st. Keep an eye on your CSB email for more information from the Office of Professional Development and Internship.
And that's all we have for this edition of COE News. We would love to hear from you, so please let us know what you think on our Beach Sync page, COE First Year Experience. If you want to know more information on anything we've talked about, check out the links below. Stay tuned for our next episode. In the meantime, I'm Jao.
I'm Victoria.
And I'm Hannah, and don't forget
To register for your classes.